Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you cannot create a new folder in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset File Explorer, restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Wait a minute. And then open the Task Manager window. Now, what do we say? Arrange it by processes first. Right click on Windows Explorer and select restart. So you'll ask why restart Windows Explorer, because all folders are the subset of the File Explorer itself. The next one is an SFC scan, because if restarting didn't work, then the only probability is that a lot of system files would have been corrupt. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And lastly, it would be system restore. So how would you restore your system to an earlier point? Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.